Understanding the step up and step down types of transformer. We have the diagram given here. First, step down transformer, next one is the step up transformer. So, transformers are crucial devices in electrical engineering, widely used to transfer the electrical energy between the circuits through electromagnetic induction. This diagram provided illustrates two fundamental types of transformers: the step down transformer and step up transformer. To truly understand their operation, we need to delve into both their theoretical understandings with the technical specifications. So before going into the depth of the types of transformer, we should understand what is the basic principles of the transformer. Electromagnetic induction transformer operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which is discovered by the Michael Faraday. This principle states a changing magnetic field within the coil of wire induces an electromotive force in a nearby coil. This phenomenon is the foundation of the transformer operation. So this was the basic principle of the transformer. Next one are the components of the transformer. We have given here primary coil, core and the secondary coil for the step up transformer. Similarly for the this was the step down transformer. For the step up transformer we have given the primary coil, core and the secondary coil. So primary coil in the step down transformer and the step up transformer, we have primary coil is this is the input coil where an alternating current is applied. Next one we have the secondary coil. This is the output coil where the transformer voltage is obtained. So types of transformer, that is the step down transformer. In a step down transformer, the primary coil has the more turns compared to the secondary coil. This configuration reduces the voltage from the primary to the secondary coil. Construction and the working. So primary coil receives a uh, receives a higher input voltage, whereas the core, the alternating current in the primary coil generates a changing magnetic field that induces a current in the secondary coil. Similarly, we have the secondary coil has a fewer number of turns compared to the primary coil, which resulting in a lower voltage input. So if you are talking about the mathematical expression of that one, that mathematically though Vsy, so voltage source Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. So where Vs is the primary volt, where the Vs is the secondary voltage and Vp is the primary voltage. Ns is the number of turns in the secondary coil and Np is the number of turns in the primary coil. If you are taking any examples on that one, so if the primary coil has the 1000 turns and the secondary coil has the 100 turns, and if the input voltage is the 100 voltage, the output will be the Vsy Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. If we'll keep the value, that it will be the then we have the number of turns primary coil, that is the 1000, and the secondary coil is the 100 turns. The voltage, input voltage is the 1000 volts. So if we calculate this one, it will come the 100 volts. 100 volt. Step up transformer is the, in a step up transformer the primary coil has a fewer turns compared to the secondary coil, increasing the voltage from the primary to the secondary coil. So what is the construction and working? So primary coil receives a lower input voltage compared to the secondary voltage core. So core is similar to the step-down transformer. It facilitates the induction process. Similarly, the secondary coil has the high number of turns, resulting in a higher input voltage. So mathematical expression for the step transformer Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. So similarly, if you are taking the example for this one, so if the primary voltage has the 100 turns, the secondary coil has the 1000 turns. If the input voltage 100 voltage and the output voltage will be the, if you calculate this one, it will come like 1000 volts. So if you are talking about the detailed analysis for the detailed analysis for the transformer operation, so magnetic flux and induction. The alternating current in the primary coil increases. Primary coil creates a varying magnetic field in the core. The changing magnetic flux induces an EMF in the secondary coil according to the Faraday's law of induction. So EMF is equal to minus N d phi by dt. So N is the number of turns, and that is the d phi by dt is equal to the rate of change of the magnetic flux. If you are talking about the efficiency and losses, transformers are highly efficient devices, often achieving efficiency above 95%. However, there are some losses, core losses and the copper losses. So copper losses is due to the resistance of the windings, whereas the core losses is due to the hysteresis and the eddy eddy currents in the core. What are the applications of the step up and the step down transformer? Step down transformers, first, if you're talking about the power distribution, reducing the higher transmission voltage to safer levels of for the residential and the commercial usage. Electronic devices, providing the appropriate voltage for the devices like the chargers and the power suppliers. Similarly, for the step-up transformers, we have the power generation, that is increases the voltage from the power plants for the efficient long distance transmission. It can be used for the industrial applications. Powering equipment that requires the higher voltage. If you are talking about the construction design considerations, so first if you are taking the example, first we are taking the turn ratio. The ratio of the number of turns in the primary and the secondary coil determines the voltage transformation. Similarly, we have the core material, typically made of the laminated silicon steel to reduce the eddy current losses. Next one, we have the insulation, ensuring the safe operation by preventing the electrical faults. So if you're talking about the advanced concepts about this one, so impedance matching in many applications, especially in the electronics and the communication, impedance matching is very crucial. Transformers can be designed to match the impedance between the different circuits to maximize the power transfer. So I want to tell something about the auto transformer. See, on auto transformer has a single winding that act as both the primary and the secondary coil with a tap point determining the secondary voltage. These are more efficient and compact for the certain applications but provided lead isolation between the circuits. So whatever we have discussed, let us conclude that one. The transformers specifically step up and step down types are essential components in electrical engineering. So their ability to efficiently transform voltage makes them indispensable in the power distribution, electronic devices, and the various industrial applications. By understanding the theoretical principles and the technical details, we can appreciate the critical roles they play in the modern electrical systems. So this is what about the types